Here we go again, clutch master job. So I'm going to be moving out the back pedal there. So this pedal that's standing up so high, I'll be pulling the entire steering column out. That includes this metal pole under here. If this don't come out, then the whole column don't come out. So all of that must be removed, and yes, the wiper mechanisms must all come out. So this is what you're gonna be pulling apart. So there's quite a few bolts on the pedal, right? There's one. If you move to the side, you'll find one in the corner there. There's one higher up there. And then there's two on top here on the bracket. And then you have one more bolt on the most awkward space ever. That one over there. So once you have all of that, the pedal box will be loose. But you that don't know, you're supposed to bend this little bracket on top. Just the top bracket. Once you bend this out of your way to the side, and the pedal box starts moving. You understand? So there's the pedal box out. Now because the master's loosened up already, it just falls out. So this is a common issue, but that happens because of this. You see this rivet starts pulling out, and this pedal box starts flexing. You see this cracked over there? So that is what happens. That's why the master gets destroyed, is when the pedal box starts flexing. So I'm going to have this welded now. I'm going to have the pedal box welded. I'm going to fit the new master that's over there. So yeah. And yes, you got to pull out steering everything, including the wiper mechanism, all the covers. You need to get in there. See, because I'm a regular here, it does it while I wait. But that doesn't mean all of you get that privileges, no? If he's not busy, he can do it. So there's your reinforcement points. This is where it broke. And then that's also a reinforcement point. So when you're installing this now back again, this little part of the ear, you're going to trim that off now. That's just to get the pedal box in, and so you can slide the steering column in easier, because you're supposed to remove the entire dashboard when you do this. But we're not pulling the dashboard. So we're just trimming these two ears away. We're not harming anything. It's just so that it slides in easier. That's about it. That's the only modifications you make on the whole thing when you do it this way. You are struggling to pull this out, but because it flexes, it slides out. But this is not going to flex now. So you have to make that little alteration there. See, moving on their own power. You can go fetch it now. I'm done.